The Wearable Arts Pageant is a feature of the Cultural Festival that allows students to use their imagination and artistic flair to create and present amazing outfits. The categories this year are Iconic, Christchurch, and Wild and Wacky. The models tonight come from the West Braden, Rossley, Breens Intermediate, and Parkview schools. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your Wearable Arts.
Get out of control, cause unity and harmony is just the way you do go. Everybody, do what you do, and smile will bring the sunshine day. Everybody, do what you do, and smile will bring the sunshine day.
People of all ages, no need to be shy no more. The song is outrageous, makes you wanna jump to the car. The day is looking so fine, just make you wanna smile. I don't know what to say, but are you feeling me, feeling me, feeling me, feeling me, feeling me, feeling me, feeling me? Are you feeling me? Cause are you feeling me, feeling me, feeling me, feeling me, feeling me, feeling me, feeling me? Like I feel you. Oh.
Everybody, do what you do, and smile will bring the sunshine day. Everybody, do what you do. Nod your head and stomp your feet. You got to know we're bringing the heat. Don't you know it's time to make it all clear? Today's the day when you gotta see it's real. Oh, I gotta show you what it means to be king by realizing a brighter day to see. Yeah, yeah. Your smile so bright makes everybody get up to do it right. We're moving around, stand up, don't hide. It makes you wanna shout. We'll feel the flow and let it show through all the joy, laughter and smile, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Everybody, do what you do, and smile will bring the sunshine day. Bellas in the back, sweet singers in the front, cruising down the freeway in the hot, hot sun. Suddenly red blue lights flash us from behind. Loud voice booming, please step out onto the line. Ballet bridge words of comfort, Cena just hides her eyes. Policeman taps the shades, is that a Chevy 69? How bizarre, how bizarre, how bizarre. Destination unknown as we're pulling for some gas. Officially placed a poster reveals a smile from the pack. Elephants and acrobats, lion, snakes, monkey. Billy speaks righteous, Sister Cena says funky. How bizarre, how bizarre, how bizarre.
Ooh baby, it's making me crazy. It's making me crazy. Every time I look around, every time I look around,
every time I look around,
every time I look around, it's in my face.
Ringmaster stiffs up, says the elephants left town. People jump and jive and the clowns are stuck around. TV news and cameras, there's choppers in the sky. Marines, police, reporters ask where, for and why. Billy yells, we're out of here. Cena says right on. Making moves and starting grooves before they knew we were gone. Jumped into the Chevy, headed for big lights. Wanna know the rest? Hey, by the rights. How bizarre. How bizarre, how bizarre.
Ooh baby, ooh
whether you can help me with the problem that will kind of make her screaming. It's a problem that I waste the time, I waste it. Never coming and bringing it back and hipping and humming and jumping the bass and yo go. I do what you wanna go quick and jumping the bumper to my groove like my poker. Stick up, flicker to a flavor. Beat you rocking harder than a brick to a layer. Ease up, mother brown, put your knees up. Can you be flipping and kicking like a Bruce Lee? Beat you, glad you beat you, wanna take it and teach the shallow beat you, gonna eat you like a cream puff. Cause I can't get enough. Can't get enough, can't get enough, can't get enough, no. 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 Here it is for his, for better, for worse, for once, with the second verse, the first kiss upon the earth. Mixing up a storm, brewing up a tornado.
Having an abundance of platonic relationships reminiscent of my man Mike Plato.
I was running down the street just screaming, I was blind, but I lost my voice like I lost my mind. And I couldn't get another, couldn't get another, couldn't get another, couldn't get another, couldn't get another. No! I was born to conform to the norm, yawn like a lawn corn. I was born to reform, worn corn, and always thinking and beating and ringing and shaking and making them up like that. Cause I can't get enough. Can't get enough, can't get enough, can't get enough, no. 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 Stars to the steps, now still sticky. People stop looking now, making people think tricky. Ricky had a hickey. Maybe hit me for a quickie. Look at think of my chick, whatchamacallit, you hickey.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for all our models.